Ever wondered how they harvest timber these days? Get ready for a close-up look at the most impressive machines in the logging industry. Their power and efficiency will blow your mind. Looking for a stump cutter that'll make your job a breeze? The Vermeer SC1052 is your answer. With its innovative Vermeer cutting system and powerful 115 horsepower engine, you'll be clearing land with unmatched efficiency and precision. This machine isn't just efficient, it's an investment in productivity. Chainsaw-wielding warriors taking on towering trees? Call them the epic sequel to Don Quixote and his windmills.
Wow.
Heart-stopping. That was a close shave, a brush with disaster. Thank heavens his safety gear kicked in. These situations are unpredictable, lurking dangers we can't foresee. Talk about determination. Tree stumps are notorious for being a pain in the neck when you're trying to clear land. They're practically difficult to remove by hand. But this guy? He wasn't about to let a stubborn stump get the best of him. Armed with his trusty Toyota Hilux and a winch, he tackled the task head-on, and the results were nothing short of spectacular. In my experience, the Vermeer WC2300XL is top-notch. With fuel costs what they are, this chipper's efficiency is a lifesaver. It handles tough material like a champ, and the replaceable wear parts are a real time saver. A solid investment, no doubt. Tree removal? Don't wing it. A solid plan protects your well-being and your wallet. That's insane. That tree looks like something out of a nightmare. The way it leans, the uneven ground. He must be incredibly skilled and brave to take on a job like that. I'm seriously impressed. A symphony of awe and adrenaline, wouldn't you agree? Those colossal logs, precariously balanced on a behemoth truck, navigating a treacherous ballet on winding, slippery, narrow dirt roads. It's a scene that ignites the senses. you're tackling a giant redwood, and your trusty Husqvarna 371 XP slices through it like butter. That's the power of this legendary saw, now refurbished for a new generation. With up to 105 centimeters of cutting length and precision engineering, it's ready to make history. Your history. I don't think I could find a more impressive image than this. A truck with a load of wood overcoming the difficult terrain of a harsh winter. This is definitely something you want to see today. Holy smokes! Feast your eyes on the Scania R540, a truck that's not just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece. From its elongated wooden bed to its plush cabin and mighty crane, this beast is ready to conquer any challenge. Honestly, who wouldn't want to own this bad boy after watching this video? Wow, I'm totally impressed by the bulldozer driver. He's got mad skills and nerves of steel. The calm he maintains in this chaotic scene is simply superhuman. Picture this. You've got a property full of stubborn stumps. But then, this excavator rolls in with its stump shear. Chomp, chomp, gone. It's like magic, but with a whole lot more power. Tree removal is a complex operation that demands expertise and specialized equipment. A lack of proper preparation can lead to serious injury or property damage. Welcome to the heart of the Vosges, where nature's grandeur meets human determination. In this captivating video, witness the extraordinary journey of lumber as it's transported through a landscape that's as breathtaking as it is unforgiving. Get ready to be inspired by the courage and resilience of those who work in harmony with this majestic environment.
Деревня Скоба, что можно...
The Tatra Phoenix, with its hardcore V-plow, is a winter warrior, conquering snowdrifts like an icebreaker. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt to nature's challenges. While sawing a 100-year-old ash tree, these people stumbled upon an unexpected surprise. I'm not sure what it is. Do you guys have any idea? Let me know in the comments below. Looking for a peeler that's as smooth as the finish it delivers? Look no further than Posh Leets. This beauty effortlessly transforms logs, boosting your productivity and simplifying your workflow. Enjoy seamless operation, adjustable settings, and impressive speed. With the Posh Leets peeler, you'll be saying goodbye to tedious log processing and hello to effortless efficiency. Get ready to be amazed. The Excavator Pilkery is here to revolutionize your land clearing projects. This Finnish-engineered stump remover is a game changer. It effortlessly extracts stumps and then splits them like it's no big deal. Say goodbye to backbreaking labor and hello to efficiency. Built to last and designed to impress, this tool is a must-have for any landscaping enthusiast. I don't think the saying, "United we stand, divided we fall," quite applies in this situation. Guys, you have to see this. The Savannah model 1720 is insane. 20 to 40 acres a day with minimal equipment. I'm still buzzing from seeing it. Seriously, watch the video. You won't believe your eyes. Get ready for an exciting journey as we uncover the secrets behind turning majestic conifers into the incredible plywood. These massive logs, stripped bare, are about to be magically transformed into thin, beautiful veneer sheets by this awesome machine. These sheets get pampered next, dried, checked for any flaws, and made absolutely perfect. The entire operation is fully automated, necessitating only a single operator. Mind-blowing, right? This guy's undertaking a bizarre endeavor, yet it's utterly devoid of any practical application. The DAH system is a workhorse. Like a clam's relentless chewing, it clears land with ease. Its compatibility with various excavators and carriers makes it a valuable asset in any forestry operation. This Unimog U2100 is like a honey badger on wheels. It doesn't back down from anything and is ready to rumble, even if the odds are stacked against it. Seriously, this is the most badass truck I've ever seen. Video. You won't believe your eyes. Now, Eve and Holly here, they're no ordinary horses. These ladies are Brabant mares, and they just made pulling a 2-ton truck on a 34-degree winter day look like a Sunday stroll. Pure class, wouldn't you say? Whoa, this lumberjill has me completely captivated. The contrast between her delicate figure and the massive tree she's felling is just breathtaking. Speechless. That's the only word for it. The Volvo FH1665, a titan against the blizzard, refusing to yield. This isn't just a truck in the snow. It's a masterpiece of defiance, a testament to the human spirit battling the elements. Breathtaking. Absolutely perfect. Look, being skilled is a great starting point, but it's not the whole story. There are hidden dangers lurking everywhere that can trip you up, no matter how good you are. Talk about a plot twist. 1 minute, the LKT81 turbo's in control. The next, it's hanging by a thread. Nature's got a wicked sense of humor. Don't get complacent out there. Whoa! This Carlton SP7015 grinder is insane. It's huge, with a 70-inch blade, and it just chews through stumps like nothing. Did I mention it's got a turbocharged diesel engine? This thing is a beast. Seriously, check out the Carlton SP7015. You won't believe what it can do. It was a perfect day for logging, but a bad day for one lumberjack. Despite that, he had an interesting felling job and a spectacular tree somersault show. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Can you imagine a sequoia so massive it takes 2 days to cut down? Sadly, that's what happened in Alder Creek Grove. The tree is burned, so Tulare County made the tough call to remove it. It's a reminder of the devastating power of wildfires. See that burning tree? It's a goner. But it's also a threat. Firefighters remove these fuel sources to starve the fire, kind of like cutting off its supply lines. It's all about controlling the burn. Imagine the efficiency. Picture the power. That's the Tiger Cat 2000 series shear, a game changer for North Florida's timber industry. Mounted on the robust 720E feller buncher, it redefines productivity. Say goodbye to costly maintenance and hello to fuel savings and lower operating costs, especially in demanding environments. Ever seen a machine conquer the wilderness like a hero? That's the Ecolog 590D for you. And its partner, the Kesla 28RH, handles wood like a sculptor. Together, they're a dream team, boosting efficiency and saving fuel. The 590D's price tag is hefty, between $79,474 and $292,507, while the 28RH is a bit kinder to your wallet, at $50,000 to $70,000. Impressive, right? This guy's playing with fire. No chaps, no eye or ear pro, no helmet, no steel toes. He's lucky to be in one piece. Cutting corners on safety is a recipe for disaster. From forest to masterpiece, the Wood Miser MP100 log planer empowers your creativity. Plane and shape logs up to 16 inches in diameter, turning rough timber into stunning structural elements. With a price tag of $10,000 to $15,000, it's an investment in your passion. Are you ready to build your dreams?